John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today. I wanted to show you an application that Vapor Honing is very good with, and that is prepping gun parts for a coating such as Cerakote, which is what we've done today here. We have some products, some Noveski products here that we were working with. The Cerakote, which we stripped off using the Vapor Hone. We stripped the part of the coating, and we wanted to prep it for a new color of Cerakote. And we did that so easily in the Vapor Honing system. A part like this with a lot of detail, the thread detail, of course the Picatinny rail, some of those details that are really hard to basically blast and get clean and prep, we were able to do that with the Vapor Honing system. And since we're changing the color, we wanted to make sure that we got all of the original coating off so that we have a good anchoring profile to adhere to. And that's what we were able to do. You could probably see in some of the blasting footage video that we're going to show you, you could probably see how the flushing action is a lot of the reason that you can actually clean some of these tight, hard to reach spaces. And let's just be honest here, you could not do that with a sandblasting operation. You could not. And if you did remove the coating on some of these tight spots, that means you're removing the base metal too. You're eroding the base metal. You're not doing that with a wet blast system. You're able to hold a tight tolerance on parts such as this, and that's what makes this system so excellent. So if you're doing stuff like this, you need a machine to do that. You need, depending on the size of your parts, that's going to help determine what machine you're going to get into, but that's something the sales team here can help you with. So you should just give us a call and ask about the product and the process and find out what works for you in this application. If you have another application where you're doing coating removal, coating prep, again, size of the part, how many parts you're doing per day, how many parts you're doing per week, that's all going to determine what you need to get into. But again, you're going to be able to see some good shots of this part, and it's phenomenally clean and prepped and ready to go. And we used an aluminum oxide media to aggressively prep this surface. And when I mean aggressively, I don't mean like a sandblast finish, but we still have a good profile here to anchor to. And that's something that if you could feel this part, it's ready to go, ready to accept that coating. Hope you guys enjoyed what you saw today. If you did, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow us on Instagram for weekly and daily updates. Thanks for watching.